Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best triathlon bike you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best triathlon bike on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which triathlon bike are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is SAVADECK Triathlon Bike. The bike seat with slender shape can reduce friction while reducing weight, and you will not feel pain even if you ride for a long time. Selected the German Continental Road Bike tire, which is non-slip and wear resistant and has a longer riding life. Simple and beautiful inner cable routing prevents rain and sun damage, reduces the probability of rusting of brake cables and shifting cables, and increases durability. It can also avoid scratching the cable tube when riding, making riding safer. Shimano 105 drivetrain group set provides 2x11 speeds with shifter lever, front derailleur, rear derailleur, V-brake, and crankset. It can provide lightning fast shifting and a level of responsiveness that can't be matched. Carbon fiber material can increase the service life of the bike with high strength and corrosion resistance and reduces the weight of the bike. Touray T800 carbon fiber bike frame, fork, and seat tube make our road bike super light, making it easier to ride. The bike is 90% assembled before shipping and comes packaged with free assembly tools and pedals. For details, let's watch more. Our second best triathlon bike is Vilano R2 Triathlon Bike. This entry-level road bike is built on a lightweight 6061 aluminum frame. It features thumb shifters for convenience. It has mount points on the frame for a water bottle cage and it makes an excellent commuter. The Vilano R2 road bike is a perfect bike for folks looking to get into cycling for health, exercise, riding to work. This bike's components like shifters, brakes, etc., will arrive as shown on the listing. Factory components availability depends on many factors including things like supply shortages and transportation challenges. The listing is the authoritative source for info about this product. This bike will arrive partially assembled in a large cardboard box and needs to be assembled and tuned prior to riding. Here is a brief list of what you need to do to complete assembly. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Schwinn Volare Triathlon Bike. The Volare 1200 features an aluminum fitness frame with a rigid fork that's perfect for quick, agile riding. The 21-speed trigger shifters provide quick gear changes so you can adapt to your terrain with ease. And when you need to stop, the alloy disc brakes give you superior stopping power. The Schwinn Sport saddle with alloy seat post provides a lightweight, comfortable seat, even on long rides. Like all Schwinn bikes, the Volare 1200 comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Get the speed and agility you've been looking for with the Volare 1200. Schwinn is the original American bike brand. Over the years, Schwinn has empowered millions of people, earning a special place in the hearts and minds of generations of riders. Fourth recommendation in our side is EUROBIKE XC7000 Triathlon Bike. EUROBIKE's road bikes feature high-quality aluminum frames. Great for paved areas, including road trips and community riding. The bike is also a great choice for the daily commuter, and the 700C wheels provide the high-speed experience of a road bike. Durable aluminum frame and fork brings more comfortable riding experience. The double aluminum rims and 700/28C road bike tires reduce resistance when riding on gravel, city road or other terrain. Shimano 14-speed shifter, aluminum frame, 700C alloy wheels. The bicycle is 85% assembled, You just need to install the front fork, front wheel, seat and pedal under the guidance of instructions and then air up the tire. It is easy for you to finish it in 15 to 25 minutes. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best triathlon bike list is Tommaso Imola triathlon bike. If you are just getting into cycling or returning after a long hiatus, this is your bike. New and returning cyclists don't need beginner bikes that won't meet your needs or last. This compact frame geometry offers a more relaxed position for all riding styles, with a shallow handlebar drop so that you can still be comfortable when riding in the drop position. It even added extra control on turns by equipping the Imola with wider 25mm, 700C road bike tires. Sizing that if in between sizes, sizing down is a more comfortable ride and sizing up is a more aggressive, race feel. Tommaso is a direct-to-the-consumer brand. You can now get a bike with 100% Shimano gears, super lightweight aluminum frame, and lightweight wheels.